Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Children, in today's session, we are going to discuss lesson 1, The Little Duckling. The name of the lesson is The Little Duckling. I'll read out the text. Listen carefully, children. Ducky was a little duckling. One day, she was going for a swim. On her way, she saw a sparrow. Ducky looked up at the sparrow. I wish I could sit up there. So here, Ducky was a little duckling. That is, a baby duck is called as a duckling. So the name of the duckling was Ducky. So one day, Ducky was going for a swim. On the way, what happened? She met a little sparrow. Sparrow means here bird. See, the sparrow sitting on the tree. So Ducky was going for swimming and she saw sparrow on the tree. Then Ducky looked up at the sparrow and said that I wish I could sit up there. So Ducky wished to sit here with sparrow. She wanted to sit on the tree with sparrow, but she couldn't climb the tree. Then what happened? See, you need strong feet like mine. Do you have strong feet? So the sparrow, when Ducky said that, I wish to sit up on the tree. So the sparrow flew down here onto the ground and asked Ducky that to fly and sit on the tree, you need to have strong feet. So do you have strong feet? The sparrow asked Ducky. So Ducky looked down at her feet. Then it said, I cannot sit on a tree. So Ducky looked. When the sparrow asked that, do you have strong feet? Means Ducky looked at its feet, but the feet are not so strong to sit on the tree. So Ducky said that I can't sit on a tree. I cannot sit on a tree. Now Ducky started moving forward towards the pool for swimming. Then on the way, Ducky met a rabbit. Then what happened? We'll see. Ducky walked on. She came to an open field. She saw a rabbit hopping. Hoppty, hop, hop, hop. Now, after talking to Sparrow, Ducky started going towards the pool, and on the way, Ducky met the rabbit. And rabbit came to an open field, that is in the open ground. Ducky came. Total, the ground was filled with the grass. So it came to the open field, and the rabbit was hopping. Hopping means jumping. So rabbit is telling that hoppty, hop, hop. So Ducky looked at the rabbit and said that I wish I could hop like you. So this is Ducky and here this is rabbit. So rabbit is telling that you need long feet to hop. Do you have long feet? Ducky said to rabbit that I wish I could hop like you. That is, I too want to jump like you. So rabbit said that to hop like me you need long feet. See the feet of the rabbit. Rabbit had long feet so it can hop. Then Ducky looked down at her feet. No, my feet are very short. I cannot hop like you. So Ducky, when rabbit said that to hop like me you need long feet. Then Ducky looked at its feet, but the feet were short. So Ducky said to rabbit that no, I don't have long feet. My feet are very short. So I cannot hop like you. Then Ducky walked forward. Ducky moved on. She reached a farm. She saw a hen scratching the ground for worms. Cluck, cluck. So now, after talking to rabbit, Ducky started moving towards the pool. On the way, Ducky saw a hen. The hen is scratching the ground for worms to eat. Okay, so the hen is telling that clock, clock. Ducky looked at the hen and said, I wish I could scratch for worms. So the hen said that I use my sharp claws to scratch. Do you have sharp claws? Then Ducky said to hen that I too want to scratch the ground for worms. Then hen said that to scratch the ground you need the sharp claws. See here, the claws. Sharp claws. But do you have sharp claws to scratch the ground? Do you have sharp claws to scratch the ground? Then what happened? See. Ducky looked at her feet. No, I do not have sharp claws. I cannot scratch for worms. Then when the hen asked that to scratch the ground you need sharp claws. So do you have sharp claws? So Ducky said that no, I don't have sharp claws. So I cannot scratch the ground for worms. Ducky was very much disappointed and it started moving forward. Now Ducky walked on. She saw Mama Duck swimming in the pond. I wish I could swim like you. Then quack quack, come in and try. After talking to hen, Ducky finally reached the pond. So Ducky saw Mama Duck swimming in the pond and said to Mama that I wish I could swim like you. Then Mama Duck said that quack quack, come in and try. You can try. You are able to swim in the pond. Then Ducky went into the water. She started to swim. Now when Mama gave permission to swim in the pond, Ducky felt very happy and entered into water and started swimming. Now Ducky was feeling very happy that it is able to swim. Quack quack, this is fun. My flat feet are so good. Now as it started swimming, Ducky enjoyed a lot and with lots of happiness, Ducky is saying quack quack, this is fun. This is very good that my flat feet are so good that I can swim in the pond. Then Ducky realized that a sparrow cannot swim, I can. A rabbit cannot swim, I can. A hen cannot swim, I can. I like my feet. Quack quack. So at first Ducky was very disappointed that Ducky couldn't fly, couldn't climb the tree, and Ducky couldn't hop like rabbit, and Ducky couldn't scratch the ground like hen. But it can swim. Ducky thought that a sparrow cannot swim like me, a rabbit cannot swim like me, a hen cannot swim like me, but I can swim. My flat feet are so good that with the help of my flat feet I am able to swim. And with happiness it is saying that quack quack. Okay, so that is about the lesson A Little Duckling. Hope you all liked the lesson, children. Now with this we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read lesson 1 A Little Duckling. In tomorrow's session we are going to revise the lesson. Okay children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Stay home, stay safe. Bye children.